What's up, internet? So today is not your normal camera video day. Today is a special day because I've seen a crazy movement on YouTube today for planting 20 million trees in 2 months by 2020. So if you haven't heard of him, MrBeast, which is, one of the biggest YouTubers out there, he just hit 25 million subscribers. And when he hit 20 million subscribers, a bunch of people bombarded him and said, hey, to celebrate 20 million, you should plant 20 million trees. And since he hit that 20 million subscriber mark and people just kept bombarding him with the 20 million trees idea, he's doing it. Now, if you don't know who MrBeast is, he has an incredible YouTube channel. He's, given thousands of dollars away to waitresses for giving him a glass of water. He's given thousands of dollars away to Twitch streamers. He's given away cars for free. He's done a lot of cool things on this platform we call YouTube. Now, what's really cool is MrBeast is partnered with Mark Rober, who is a former NASA scientist who has a great YouTube channel of his own. You should go check that out. And it's not just the two of them. They've also teamed up with the Arbor Day Foundation, who is basically the best organization in the world at planting trees. Then on top of that, you have literally hundreds, if not thousands, of YouTubers all over the world, big and small, contributing to the Team Trees movement. Now, I was literally on my way home from work when I saw all of this happening on the internet, and I was like, oh my God, I've got to take part, and I got to ask you guys a favor. Now, some of you, I think, know this. I've never ever asked you guys to subscribe to this channel. You are here under your own free will, and I sincerely appreciate that. I've also never really asked you guys for anything, but I think now is the time to ask you for one thing. Now, with MrBeast and Mark's partnership with the Arbor Day Foundation, every dollar you donate to the Team Trees movement will plant a tree. So that's literally 100 cents, $1, one tree. I mean, look at these dudes. Right there, that thing, for $1. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is one of the coolest things to happen on YouTube in such a long time. A lot of people forget that YouTube is a big, gigantic community. It's a family, it's a bunch of friends making videos to have a fun time, but we can also use it to do amazing things like plant 20 million trees. Also, like many other things, MrBeast is putting his money where his mouth is. He's donating $100,000 to the movement, and Mark is donating $50,000 to the movement. And I don't have that type of money, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start with just a $25 donation. I'm sure I'll donate more if I can swing it and everything like that, but I'm just gonna start off 25 bucks. That's 25 freaking trees. I hope they live good lives. So my ask is if you can donate to the Team Trees movement. Like I said, $1 is one tree, which is pretty amazing. $1 gets you one of those things. And I don't know, I can't really describe what I was feeling when I was driving home from work. I was just inspired in so many different ways. And I know this is just a stupid little video from a stupid small creator like myself, but I figured, why not make it? Because even if one person who watches this donates a tree, that's one gigantic tree that may be out there in the world. Harvey is going to help and donate to the cause. I think he's got like some Puggle bucks laying around, right? Right? I think. Harvey, do you even know what money is? Do you know what money is? No? Do you know what trees are? They're the things that you chase squirrels up? I think you know what trees are. Yeah. Sammy, do you know what trees are? No? They don't know what trees are. Okay, we're gonna have to try something different. I'm pretty positive that MrBeast, along with the entire YouTube community that is participating, will reach this goal, but I thought it would be cool to ask you guys for your help so we can kind of just be part of this gigantic movement to rebuild our earth a little bit. The link is in the description for teamtrees.org, where you can see how much money is raised and you can see all the different facts about the movement. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. No camera video here, just talking about planting trees for Mother Earth. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.